Hi, my name is Paul Brackley, and this video is an interview I did with TV Channel 9 in Adelaide in March 2023. It's about my incredibly clear dashcam recording of a B-double truck that went out of control and really destroyed everything in front of it. The interview was broadcast Australia-wide, and I've now posted it to my virtual reality experience business YouTube channel for everyone to see.
In the morning on busy Hampstead Road, and a B-double truck begins drifting into the bike lane. Within seconds, it mounts the footpath, charging through a road sign and a light pole. Barrelling through an intersection, it then wipes out a bus shelter, fences and trees, just stopping short of a house. The entire terrifying event captured on Paul Brackley's car dashcam. He'd been just seconds from being hit.
Completely lost control, and he was coming right into me, so I put my foot on the accelerator to get away, started crashing into things, and I then immediately pulled up, and then I ran back and helped the guy out of the truck.
The truck driver, a 31-year-old man from New South Wales, was slumped over in the front seat.
He had blood on his face, but he looked okay apart from that.
The driver was taken to hospital, telling Paul he'd just fainted at the wheel, explaining why the runaway rig showed little sign of slowing for so heart-stoppingly long. Not that the witnesses knew that at the time.
The truck was making a hell of a noise when I got there, and I was thinking, oh, could it blow up, or what could happen here? Miraculous that nobody was hurt in the incident, and the noise that I spoke of at the end of the video was actually, I found out later, gas escaping from a gas main that the vehicle had hit. Luckily, no one lit up a cigarette at that time. The subsequent feelings I have from the incident is how quickly your life can be over if you are in the wrong place at the wrong time. More reason to try to live in the moment and enjoy life as much as you can now. Thank you, bye.